Let me start by congratulating you. This is exactly what we've been talking about.
I would like to introduce you, Your Excellency, Honorable Minister, to Embedded Tech. Embedded Tech is an innovator here in Abia State, doing amazing things, producing smartphones. Over to you. 1 minute, please.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Your Excellencies. My name is Magnus Semenuka, founder, Embedded Tech Lab. I would like to interest you to know that Embedded Tech Lab built this mobile phone from Abia, with 65% of our manufacturing cost was here in Abia. I have trained over 50 students to learn under me because we have very few people that have this level of skill in Abia. So I've been able to train 50 and employ 10 at the moment. Some of them are currently outside. And I believe I can, as well, with the integration or with the partnership with the government, expand this knowledge skill in Abia here and be able to manufacture arrays of products. We have our energy meter, we have our pocket node. This can communicate to individuals without any SIM card or airtime. And these are arrays of things we've done. And on the intellectual property, we build a circuit diagram, write the code, develop the operating system.
You made this smartphone very slick, small. So what you're now looking for is the frame to put it. So we can have, and you have all the digits here. So just to make the frame. So what do you need to make the frame? Because if you can make a phone like this and can connect to GSM, you make phone affordable. That's advancing President's agenda for digital transformation as well.
And it's a smartphone.
And it's a smartphone. So I'll let the governor take it from there. So what do you need? Why don't you tell His Excellency, what exactly do you need to make a frame to take this inner component of the phone?
All right. So, Your Excellency, at the moment, I have been able to build electronics, and I can confirm that we own the intellectual property, the code and the firmware. The major concern is that packaging device, which is arrays of machines, not only CNC, not only 3D printers. We have arrays of machines, things like mold making machines. Beyond that, Abba can manufacture phone and ship out there. I've been able to do this. We own the ownership. You can see everything strictly made in Abba. We have our energy meter, which works as well. It can connect to Abba Power. I had to go over there, see some of the issues as regards to people tampering the Abba Power. Our system has that level of technology. When someone disconnects the system, we send an alert to the server, which we further made available. So I've done arrays of products.
Let me start by congratulating you. This is exactly what we've been talking about. And we know that our people are resilient and our people are energetic. So I think whatever brought you here today has placed luck on your part. But I'm interested in this. Yes, because as we have taken over the powering of Abba as an island through Abba Power, and also in the process of taking over Omwaha as an island, then we will require this. And you know that in Abba right now, if you do not have the meter, you don't have power. But then sometimes some people try to tamper with the meter. But listen to this, your presentation of this would make it impossible for them to do. So it's something that we can also look at. In the interim, you don't need to produce everything yourself. So if it is cheaper for you to get the packaging right now, the case from somewhere else, why not? Why you are building your own capacity to produce locally. But I think the most important thing is all these chips and everything integrated and working. This is a SIM card here. You can see SIM card.
Yeah.
No,
this is the phone.
This is the phone.
Okay, the back.
Yeah, we are also doing an Android version currently at our lab in Abba, but we are not through with that. We just use the ones that are functional.
What do you think you will sell a phone for? Smartphone for when you're done?
So one of the key things we observe, just to answer that, we noticed that most elderly people in Abba have this hypertension. So we integrated what we call BP check. So the price scale we did for owning all of these things is over 25,000 naira, which they can use over 30,000 to buy normal techno phone. So if Abba manufacture a phone that's every lady can just check their BP and have ascribed doctor to them. They can as well, you don't need to like having risk of health concern before you go to hospital. But with your mobile phone, you can check on this and then get alert from your doctor, because we're building IoT system, alert system, and these are things we can integrate all in one to make Abba proud and also owner of technology like this.
Thank you.
Fantastic. That's fine. Please, can you take it over from here? Okay. Well done. I wanted to understand, what is this for?
So this is an RFID card. So
Okay.
this access, it has a barcode inside,
Okay.
which we encrypted in this. So this can be user A. Then this is user B, is the line. So same thing we have in that electric vehicle. I was there yesterday and I was monitoring everything. And I felt I could bring this because we've done this for several clients. I said, okay, let me talk to you about this. Since we've run everything, we run the software, we run everything, we can as well own these processes. Maybe China supplied the engine, we supply the electronics architecture, and these are things we can own here in Abba. We did the software and we did everything, so we can do this as well in a larger scale.
For the electric buses and all right, so that's fine.